What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to show you a little cool little something here that I've thrown together. I got a little neck knife Mantis that I'm going to show here that came in this cool little pouch. It's an inexpensive knife, $20 knife or so. And then I wanted to show you these sweet little tools I keep in here with it. Got the Brunton firesteel. This is sort of my hip pocket bushcraft kit. I keep a Mora or something larger on my side. I've got a condor bush lure, but this is really sweet, guys. This is a little Dianova diamond knife sharpener with reindeer leather holster here, if you can make that out. Dianova, Boden, Sweden. Hard to read. It's very small, guys. Very cool. This is my little field sharpener. Between this and a little strop that I have glued onto another sheath, I can maintain all my knives. This is a reindeer antler little handle on it. It's at an angle from the antler. It's not perpendicular with it. Excuse me. It's got a coarse side that I've marked here and a fine side. It's actually flexible, which is really cool. Watch this. That's not the best surface. There we go. It's very flexible, guys. So if you have your your convex knives, you can sharpen your convex knives with this bad boy. And then I have the little Mantis. Was pretty disappointed with this knife when I got it. The sheath sucks. This is the worst fake Kydex sheath I've ever seen. Can you see the crack in it here? Let's just show that if I can. Can you see that? See that separation there? This thing's cracked right down the middle, and the lighting sucks. There we go. See that crack? That is not from being dropped or misused. That is simply from putting the knife in and out of the sheath. So it doesn't really hold in there too tightly now, so now it's in the pouch with these. I wouldn't even carry this knife, but I'll show you why. This knife comes from the factory, fully serrated. This is another sharpening job I'm extremely proud of, guys. This is now a full Scandi. Now, on this side, it's still kind of convex. Although this bends like I just showed you, I've not done the mouse pad or the bending of this or done any convex sharpening yet. This is just still convex where I've knocked the shoulder off and knocked the serrations out. You can see the end, I guess you can't, right up here is the end of one of the serrations. And then down here, just a couple little remnants of some serrations there as well. You can probably, can't really tell on that side either, but been stropping it. It's getting a nice mirror going. Hope you guys saw that good. See the bald spot now? I mean, it's a razor, guys. I could shave my face with it. So this is going to be a great little woodworking knife now. The way the handle is built, I mean, you can get right up on your work. You can hold it like normal. You can put a finger through. You can put your pinky and forefinger through. You can do all kinds of different little grips with this knife and really get up close easily for doing your detail work. If you're making some cuts down into the wood to do stop cuts, you can really draw nice little shapes just like a pencil or something and have your blade safely away from your hand. I don't know if you're making that out or not, but really, really good. Now this is a false edge on top. If you can see, that line goes all the way through there, so it's totally safe for that. But just a really cool, proud sharpening job that I'm completely happy with. I do a lot of carving, and I'll be showing some of the stuff I carve on my videos as well. But this has got to be one of the most proud sharpening jobs that I've done, all by freehand, guys, all freehand. And it really made this kind of crappy knife really sweet. If you just saw that glare there, that's that front. There you go. That front serration is still there. This was fully serrated, like I said, and there's one little place where one of the serrations was deeper than the others. But this is a great little razor sharp carving knife now. Firesteel. portable sharpener. This doesn't have to flex either, guys. It's pretty strong. You have to push it to flex it. But let me know if you have any questions. I think that's one of the sweetest little field sharpeners I've seen. Super duper light. There's your ruler. I mean, come on. You know, what a nice little kit for bushcrafting. When you've got this going all in one little pouch, you know, you can go take that anywhere, guys. And if you find a cool stick you want to start carving on a little bit, you don't have a big knife on your belt. If you're going on a camping trip, obviously you will. I will. If you're just out running around and you find a cool stick in the woods, you could actually go at it with this thing and start carving away and having a good old time. But try to show some of the work I've done with this knife, and just wanted to show you guys my cool little idea there for a little bushcraft hip pocket kit. Thanks a bunch. Please sub.